Hello, welcome to part 4 of my Tales of Fox from Sonic Universe. This is out here 2094. That's what you should have in the last part. Once you filled everything in. So once you got that, let's get into the pixel art tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is find 2 sets of 4 and then the link to. You want to start on the right side of the link to. Into his right leg to top. You want to start from link 2 to 2 sets of 2 upright diagonals. And then do 12 going across on your brother to the left to the right. And 2 sets of 2s going across on your brother to the right. Three upright diagonals. Two going up on the right. Then 12 going up on the right. Double digits, please make sure you pause and count. On the right side, the last block of the 12. Put 2 placing blocks going down. And then underneath the placing block, do 9 black concrete going down. You can get rid of the placing blocks. Then on the right side, at the bottom of the 9, last block of the 9. The right side, put a placing block. On top of the placing block, do 4 going up. Get rid of the placing block. Then from the top of the 4, top block, first block, do 8 going up on the right. And then underneath the 8, do 3 going down. Then come to the top of the 8. That's still the 8s, but add them 3 on the bottom, that make it 11. From that 8 on the left side, the 2 going up on the right, on the left. Then 1 up left diagonal. Then 2 going up on the left. Then 1 up left diagonal. On top of that last diagonal you placed, pull placing block. You only do two things this placing block. On the right side, place 8 going up. And on the left side, it did 2 going up on the left. And get the placing block. And wind him here, come back to the 2. The 2 just placed. You want to do 2 sets of... You want to do 5 sets of 2s going up on the right, on the left, that's linked. So they're more connected to each other. If you're sure what I mean, I'll do it first and show you after. That's what I mean, 5 sets of 2s linked, connected all together. So we need to pause the video and try and see what we got. I'll step back so I can see what all we done. Pause and count if necessary. And make it look the same. And come back up once you're ready to start. Come back to the last set of the 2s we placed. Do 2 sets of 2s, that's linked going across on the pivot to the left. It's just the same, but you're going across instead. And on top of the left block, the last set, 3 going up. And on the left side, the last block, the first block placed. On the left side of the first block of the 3. You want to do 13 going to the left. Starting from here. So pause and count if you need to. Then come to the left side of the 13. And do 4 up left diagonals. Then do 11 going up on the left. Pause and count if you need to. On the left side of the top block 11, do 4 going to the left. On the right side of the 11, top block, the 2 sets of 2s going across the lower level to the left, to the right. And they got to be linked. They're connected. Then do 4 going across, lower to the left, to the right. And underneath the last block of the 4, place 1. On top of the third block of the 4, place 2 going up. Going back to the 4. And do 8 going underneath the left block of the 4. And on the left side, on the right side, the 8. Just make sure. Yeah, on the left side, right side of the 8 just place 1. Then do a 2 going across the lower to the right. Then on the left side of the 7th block of the 8, do 2 going to the left. Then 3 going across on the blower to the left. Then do 16 going across on the blower to the left. Please make sure you pause and count. And then do 9 bottom left diagonals. Then after the diagonals, do 3 going down the left. On the right side, and then last 3 just placed. The bottom block, place 2 to the right. Starting on the right side, right block of them last 2 just placed. Do 6 upright diagonals. Then do 12 going across on the blower to the right. Pause and count if you need to. After that 12, do 2 sets of 5 going across the lower to the right. Step back, see what we got. Come to the 14, we've done the last part. Near the bottom, where his legs is. On the right, from the right side. Do 9 going across on your bow to the left, to the right. Underneath the right block of the 9. The 2 sets of 2s going across a lot to the right. That's linked. Then do a linked 4 going across the lower to the right. Then come to the left side of the 9. The 2 sets of 2s going across up lower to the left. A 3 upright diagonal, up left diagonals. Then 5 going up on the left. Then 1 upright diagonal. Then do 17 going across up level to the right. A pause and count if you need to. On the right side of the 17. Do 6 placing blocks going to the right. Underneath the right placing block. Do 13 going across to the left. And then get rid of the placing blocks. Now count to that bunk. That's 16 you want. That's 6 you want there. So get rid of 1 placing block. So on the left side of the 17, on the right side of the 17, you got 5 placing blocks. Then underneath the 5 placing blocks, it wants 13 black concrete to the left. Just pause and count, double check if you need to. We'll do a quick recap. After the 5 going up on the left, after the 3 diagonals, then you got 2, 1 upright diagonal, then 17 going across up over to the right, Then you add 5 placing blocks on the right side of them 17. Underneath the 5 placing blocks, you've done 13 going to the left. Should be 13 going across the left. Then come to the top of the 17. Do 6 placing blocks on the going to the left. And on the right side, left side of the placing box, do 14 black concrete going to the left. Then go to the placement box. And make sure you pause and count if you need to. Then do 8 going up on the left. Then 1 upright diagonal. Then 3 going across up over to the right. 2 sets of 2s going across up over to the right. On the left side, the first set's 2. Do 4 going back to the left. And then do 4 going up on the left. And that 4 should connect to them 2 going across to the right. And come back to the second set of the 2 you just placed. Then do 13 going across the lower to the right. Pause and count if you need to. And then do linked 9 going across the lower to the right. And step back so I can see what we got so far. Pretty much his hand. Then come over to 13 before you've done the 4 diagonals. You want to find the second block from the left. Underneath the second block, do 4 bottom right diagonals. And then 5 going across the lower to the right. Then underneath the last block of the 5. That's starting underneath the last block of 5. The 2 sets of 2s that's linked going across the lower to the right. And then the 2 sets of 3 that's linked going across the lower to the right. Then 2 going across the lower to the right. Then a linked 3 going across lower to the right. Then 2 going across lower to the right, linked. Starting underneath the right block of the 2, just place a linked. Place 2 sets, 2 linked 2s going down on the right. And then place 3 going, linked 3 going down the right. And then that last linked 3 should connect to that strip of 12 going down, going up. And then come back to the 4, 5. Come back to the 5. From the second block from the left, the 2 bottom right diagonals. Then 6 going down the right. Then 3 going down the right. On top of them last 3 place, got 3 going up. From the middle block of them 3 just placed. Do 5 bottom right diagonals. Then 3 going down the right. 2 going down the right. Then 8 going down the right. Then 2 going down the left. Then 3 bottom left diagonals. Then 2 going across the lower to the left. And then last 2 place should connect back to that 12 you got going across. Come back to the 6 you got going up, but you done the 3. You had the 3 going down the left, right, and 3 on top. Then do 15 going down on the right. And pause and count if you need to. On the left right side of the 15, do a place and block. On top of place and block, do 2 going up. Then do 8 going up on the right. Then do 3 going up on the left. That 3 should connect back to that strip. Then come back to that strip of 15. On the left side, do 4 sets of 2, so that's linked going across and going down on the left. And then on the left side of the last block, place 1. Then switch to grey concrete. Wind him here, do a bit of outlining, inlining. On the right side, the last block you placed. The last set of 2. Do 2 grey concrete going to the right. Then 1 up right diagonal. And 2 going across on your pivot to the right. Then 1 up right diagonal. Then 14 going up on the right. And then 3 going up on the left. You've left a few spaces behind. There's 6 spaces you want to fill in with grey concrete. Them 2 small spaces. That looks like a sideways M shape. That strip there. That 3 block space. And that bit. I'll fill in space to move you, but we're going to talk. So once you fill it in, look like that. That remaining section, that would be light grey concrete. So I'll grab the light grey concrete and fill that in. I'll do it with you, but very well talk. In this part, I hopefully you'll be able to get the chest, this hand up. Let's see how long I record. So once you filled it in, looks like that. Yeah, one of here as well. You may as well do the clay outlines. So the last 3 that you placed, the grey concrete. Above that, you got the 5 diagonals. You want the 3rd diagonal on top of that. Place 2 clay blocks going up. And then 3 going across to the right on your level. Then when you just done 3, come up, you got 2 sets of 3 that's linked. You want a second set on the right side of that. I did 2 to the right. Then 2 upright diagonals. Them 2 spaces closed off. Fill them in with clay block. It's best to fill bits in at a time, so it's a bit more time filling in that. So once you've filled them in, look like that. And this section has 2 more space to fill in. Fill them with snow block. It's only a little bit, so I might as well do them with you. And it's less time editing small bits. There's 2 ways you can do it, side by side, up and down. Some of us find it easier to do up and down. That's one done, and next one. So once you fill that in, look like that. I'm gonna mark the hand up, but I'll do that after. Or for the next part. So I'll switch back to black concrete. Come to where you got the link 2 and the 3. From that 2 going up, or 3. I think there's a 4 going across the ladder to the right, 2 on top of the 3rd block. From them 2 on the 3rd block, do 3 up left diagonals. Then 3 going across up lower to left. Then on top of the left block of the 3, do 5 going to the right. And then do 5 bottom right diagonals. Then 2 going down the right. Then 3 bottom right diagonals. Then 2 going down the right. 1 bottom right diagonal. 3 going down the right. And then link 2 going down the right. And that last 2 just place should connect to them 4. Step back, see what we got. Come to these. Come to this strip 8, just above his hand. from the left side. Do linked 4 going up on the left. Then 3 going up on the left. Then link 2 going up on the left. 3 going up on the left. 2 going up on the left. Link 2 going up on the left. 3 up left diagonals. Then 2 going up on the left. Then 8 up left diagonals. Then 2 going across up over to the left. And then 10 going across up over to the left. Then leave that for a bit. On top of that last 10, you just place that last block of the 10. Put one placing block on the left side of the placing block. Do 7 going to the right, black concrete. Then where you was, just come down to, got 5 going to the right. There you done on top of the left side of the 3. 4 placing block on top of the left block of the 5. And then do 11 going to the right on the right side of the placing block. Then on top, starting on top, let's get to the placing block if you like. Yeah, back to the right side, starting on top of the right block. Do 2 up left diagonals. Then 2 going across up over to the left. 1 up left diagonal. Then 2 going across up over to the left. And that 2 should connect to that 11. It should connect to that 10. Then come back to the 7. On the right side of 7, the 2 going across up over to the right. Then 1 upright diagonal. And on the right side of the diagonal, do 4 placing blocks going to the right. Then on top of the placing blocks, you want to do 27 going to the left. Please make sure you pause and count slowly if you need to. After that again, 27 going to the left. Starting on the right side of the placing blocks. 27 to the left. "27, please pause, count." Then come to the left side of 27. Do 3 going across up over to the left. 3 sets of 4 going across up over to the left. 2 sets of 2s going across up over to the left. 5 upright diagonals. From the first diagonal, place 1 upright diagonal. Back to the left side, last diagonal. Then 2 going across up over to the left. Then 7 going across up over to the left. 7. Underneath the 6 block of the 7, do 3 bottom right diagonals. 3 going down the right. 2 going down the right. 'Back to the 3. On the left side of the second block of the 3. The 2 to the left. Then 3 going across up over to the left. Then 9 going across up over to the left. On top of the left block of the 9, place 1. Find the 7th block of the 9. Underneath that, place 1. Then from that one single, 2 going to the left. Underneath the right block of the 2. Place 4 going to the left. From the right side of the 4 just placed. The 2 to the right. Then linked 3 going to the right. Then 2 going to the right. Then 3 bottom right diagonals. Underneath the last block of the 3. Do 3 to the left. On the left side, the second block of diagonals. Do 4 to the left. And keep that bit for a bit. Step back, see what we got. If you need to, pause and make sure it's the same. Leave that bit because you got to connect to it. So I'll come to the bottom. This is left tail. You want to find a 12 on the last part. From that 12 you want to do 6 going up on the right. And then 4 sets of 4 going up on the right. I'm sorry if we're going a bit quick, I just want to try and get as much possible. Then after the 4 4s, you want to do 2 going up on the right. And 3 going up on the right. Then 2 going up on the right. Then 2 going up on the left. On the left side, the last 2 placed, but top block, place 1. From that one, there's 6 going across, up over to the left. Then 1 up left diagonal. 2 up right diagonals. And to close this bit off, 2 going across to the right. On the upper level. And that 2 should connect to them 3 got going across there. And step back. See what we got the entirety. Yeah, let's do some clay outlining. On his hand at the top, you got 16. Before 16 you got 3 going across. That's where you want to be. These 3. On the left side, you're going to do 4 going up. And then 4 going across, up over to the right. Fill that section in. Then underneath that section, you got 2 2s. First set underneath, place 1. Then on the right side of that one, place placing block. Underneath the placing block, do 3 going to the left, right. Then two sets of 2s going across the lower to right. Then 1 bottom right diagonal. 1 bottom left diagonal. Then 5 bottom right diagonals. Then 2 going down the right. Then 5 bottom right diagonals. 2 going down the left. 2 going down the right. Then 9 going down the right. Then 4 going down the right. I mean the left. Then 1 bottom left diagonal. Then 2 sets of 2s going down the right. I mean the left. Please make sure you're watching the video because I might say something different. Like I did then, if I correct myself. It should be right. After them 2 sets of 2s, you want to do 4 bottom left diagonals. 2 going across the lower to the left. And 2 bottom left diagonals. We've still got some more, but for your best to do each bit as we're eating. So I'll just fill that section in that we closed off. Remember, stay in the outlines. And just say as you get confused. And then for small sections as well, then go fill it in. So that's 1 bit down. 5 more bits to line out and fill. Why not the top here? Might as well have this bit. Where you got 2 sets of 5. Underneath the second set, place 1 on the right side. And 2 going to the right. Underneath the right block of the 2. It is 8 going to the left. Then 15 going across. On the pivot to left. Please make sure you pause and count. After the 15, the 2 sets of 2s going across, lower to left. Then 1 bottom left diagonal. 3 going down the left. And 1 bottom left diagonal, bottom right diagonal. Fill that one space in. And then the space above the clay, fill that in as well. Little sections I may as well fill in with you. There's less time editing. And the quicker you can get the video uploaded. Then come to the next variable space. It's the linked 9. On the left side, right side of the linked 9. The 2 going down. Then 1 block on the left side of the last block. Then do 24 going across, lower to left. Please make sure you pause and count. And after you do 24, go 2 going across, lower to the left. 2 bottom left diagonals. Again, fill that space in the above it. With clay block. Then next available space. The 13 going across. Underneath the last block of the 13. Place 1. Then 21 going across and lower to left. Then 1 bottom left diagonal. Again, fill that space in. Next available space down. Linked 4. The 2 going down the left on the right. On the left side of them 2. The 11 going to left. Then 3 going across, over to left. On top of the left block of the 3 is placed, place 1. Fill that section in. and we just filled in. You got 9 above it. Then up before that you got 2 sets of 2s. Then you got 3 up left diagonals. On the left side, the first diagonal. And do 4 going to the left. Then 1 bottom left diagonal. Then 5 going across lower to left. And 2 sets of 2s going across up lower to left. Then 3 going across up lower to left. 2 going across up lower to left. Then 1 up left diagonal. Underneath that single block, fill that in. And the remaining space, fill that in as well. A clay block, what this is. Remember, stay in the outlines. If I'm going too quick, pause the video. Try and catch up. And done quite a bit of outlining. The only thing I gotta do now is fill 2 sections in. The rest of his hand or his glove. That's snow block. And his chest, that's snow block. I'm gonna skip it though. So I'll see you after that. So once you filled it in, it should look like that. Took a bit longer than I thought it would. We've done quite a bit. If I have to guess, probably about 2 more parts, 2 or 3 parts. I'm gonna end here. Step back so you talk. So if you like, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.